Hi guys, it's me Nikoleta again, and today we are viewing the Google Translate update where you can see that they changed the layout completely. Here are the languages now, and you can change them by clicking on each of them. The paste works perfectly, and you can place your text immediately or enter it by hand. Let's say you want to write thank you. So this is how it works now. Here you can change your profile from the arrow here and have your history backed up and saved on your account. When you slide it down, you can actually see synchronized story history that is backed up to your Google account. And here I'm testing the conversation option where at the moment Google Translate is expecting me to speak Japanese and translate it to English. And when you press the conversation, the prompt immediately gives you a visual and also sound effect, so it can prompt you to speak your input, and you can switch between the languages, of course, and also you can have the option to click the auto translation, and Google Translate will try to pick up whichever language it recognizes and translate from one to another. Of course, these options for the conversation are not polished 100% like before, so it really depends how you speak and what you say and how well you say it. Let's see how it shows the words from English to Japanese. Let's say apple. Apple. Okay, so let's see how the suggestive words are showing in Japanese. Okay, and these are the synonyms. They created those cards that you can choose from down here with the explanation of each word like before. Okay, now let's get to the most exciting feature, which is the camera translation. I will choose from English to Bulgarian to see. Madame Bovary. Okay, that's good. Gustav Flaubert. It's a good translation. Not perfect, but it's actually pretty good at the moment. You can import translation, scan it, and also make an instant. Let's see from Croatian to English. This is the scanning function. As you can see, different design of a title of a book can little bit confuse the Google Translate and maybe give you misinterpreted translation. Okay, this is not perfect, but about self-confidence, yes, this is it. So the translation here says about only confidence, but the original it's self-reliance, the translation, but it is also Pouzdanju is confidence, but it's about self-reliance. And the text here on the bottom, it's about boldness and how to be your own, but in terms of your own, character person. Let's see the next one. The name is well translated. Small, the book, Stoicism, it's pretty clear what it's about. The small book of Stoicism, ancient wisdom to develop resilience, confidence, and peace of mind. This translation is pretty much perfect. Of course, there is grammar mistakes, but pretty much you get the idea what it is about. So yeah, this is the feature that Google Translates have at the moment. These are the two new features, conversation and camera, added from Google Translate at the moment. Please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and maybe turn on the notifications so you can get notification every time I post a new video. Bye, until the next time.